novel I'm reading, it's a historical fiction. It's about the Civil War, and it's called The Killer Angels by Michael Shara. It's a really good book. I highly recommend it. I'm about halfway through, I'd say. And yeah, I got the movie that was based on this novel. I'm not gonna watch that movie until I finish reading the novel. But from what I could tell from like the trailer, it looks pretty on point. But yeah, that Killer Angels is a really good book. The last chapter I read was about this English guy named Fremantle, and he was just saying how the South is a lot like Europe, in the fact that there's one religion, one nationality. They're all like, it's like unity, whereas like the North is comprised of 1,000+ religions. It's just this cluster. It's just a clusterfuck up there. I'll head over to where my old apartment was, fly the drone around over there. I don't know if I can, but fuck it, I'm gonna head over that way. Just park right here and put the drone up. I got some pretty good drone footage. Can't decide if I want to go straight home or go to a park near my house and put up the drone again. I still got 2 full batteries. I'm gonna go put it up again. This video is gonna have a lot of drone footage. I'm gonna put the drone back up, get some footage here. There's a little pond nearby. I'll see if it can make it over there. good day. Good day of riding. Now I'm gonna get home and watch some football. It's like wild card weekend, I guess. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.